In this video, I'll show you how to watch and access Amazon Prime using a VPN. If you open Amazon Prime without a VPN, while you're outside certain regions, you'll notice that a lot of movies and shows are missing. Amazon Prime's library changes by country, and some titles are only available in specific regions like the US, UK, or India. Even if you already have an Amazon Prime subscription, your access is limited based on your location because Amazon checks your IP address. The easiest and most reliable way to access different Amazon Prime libraries is by using a VPN. The VPN I recommend is NordVPN because it's fast, stable, and works very well with streaming platforms like Amazon Prime. It's available on Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and smart TVs, and it's very easy to use. You can find the link in the description to get started with NordVPN. First, install NordVPN on your device. If you're on a PC or Mac, go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description and download the app. Complete the installation, then open NordVPN and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a world map and a list of server locations. Choose the country whose Amazon Prime library you want to access. For example, connect to a US server to access Amazon Prime US, or connect to the UK or India depending on the content you want to watch. Wait until NordVPN clearly shows that you're fully connected before moving forward. After connecting, open your browser and go directly to the Amazon Prime Video website, or open the Prime Video app if you're using one. Log into your Amazon account as usual. With NordVPN active, Amazon Prime will now detect your location based on the VPN server, and the content library will update automatically. You can now browse and stream shows and movies that were previously unavailable in your region. If a title doesn't load right away, refresh the page or close and reopen your browser while keeping the VPN connected. In some cases, switching to another server in the same country inside the NordVPN app can also help. For smoother streaming, make sure NordVPN stays connected in the background while you're watching. NordVPN shows server load and speed, so choosing a server with lower load can improve video quality and reduce buffering. NordVPN also adds extra security while you stream. It includes threat protection to block malicious websites, trackers, and intrusive ads, and a kill switch that ensures your real IP address is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. This keeps your streaming private and secure at all times. So, to sum it up, using a VPN is the simplest way to watch and access different Amazon Prime libraries. Just install NordVPN, connect to the country you want, open Amazon Prime, and start streaming without regional restrictions. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching Amazon Prime from anywhere today.